Intrastrand crosslink. Intrastrand crosslink. DNA crosslinking damage that two nucleotide residues from the same DNA strand covalently connect. Comparisons: intrastrand crosslink between two nucleotide residues from the same DNA strand. It can be readily removed by the nucleotide excision repair (NER) mechanism. Interstrand crosslink (ICL) between two nucleotide residues from opposite DNA strands. It constitutes an absolute block to DNA strand separation, thus interrupting essential DNA metabolic processes such as replication and transcription. Left unrepaired, it can be extremely toxic, especially in dividing cells, stalling DNA replication and leading to cell death. ICL-forming antitumor drugs, chemotherapeutic agents, nitrogen mustard, a nonspecific DNA alkylating agent, cytotoxic organic compounds with the chloroethylamine functional group, melphalan, a nitrogen mustard alkylating agent, mitomycin C, an antineoplastic agent, potent DNA crosslinker, cisplatin, a platinum-based antineoplastic, carboplatin, a platinum-based antineoplastic, oxaliplatin, a platinum-based antineoplastic,